Whoa.
Wow.
Hi, so we're Junction Arts. We're a community arts charity based in Chesterfield, but we deliver across Bolsover and North East Derbyshire. We are coming up to our 50th birthday next year. All the work that we do is with our local community. So as you'll see for Bright Winter Nights, all the work has been created by local young people. The Lantern Parade we do, which is on Saturday, which is tomorrow, all of that work is created by our local communities. So we work hand in hand with our communities to create the content that you see tonight.
Let no one speak to me, I am in a moment. You ever put your headphones in and the song hits first note, boom, and suddenly you're the main character walking to the corner shop like it's a movie? You ever feel like the world's too much? Wars, posts, pressure, news, doom scroll, doom scroll, doom scroll. But then your little brother shows you a cat wearing Crocs and for 30 seconds, the world's fine again.
Hi, my name's Barrett and I'm a video artist, and I was asked to do this commission at Bolsover Castle. It's a new bespoke kind of one-off piece of video mapping. Video mapping and making that kind of content is my speciality that I've been doing for a long time now. I've actually got a piece running at Chesterfield Church as well at the same time, which is all nice. It's a rarity that I'm kind of doing it locally, but this piece is also I work with the children at Shirebrook School, so their input came into it as well, and we worked together on different ideas and concepts of what we can bring to the walls of Bolsover Castle.
And all these have been created by local artists in youth groups and colleges.
Pull them up again.
So do I change this?
Do that. You see the shooting star come in, and the next row up launches. Press the third row up, that's it. You get blobs of paint behind the pictures. Can you see them? And then that does sparkles behind the pictures. And then from the computer here, I can click on these boxes and change the pictures to be different things, and so on and so forth. Or I can use this controller here to change the shape around the door. So that's been mapped into the space.
What if I do this?
Do it, find out. You have to press them all as fast as you can.
Theo, what are you drawing, mate? What is it? A circle? Is it orange? And where are we going today? Birmingham Christmas Market? Yeah.
Look at that.
Cheers, guys. Oh yeah. So we've been roped into a helter-skelter. Hello, here we are behind the scenes of a live stream. It's Black Friday, we've got a discount on, but it's probably expired by the time you watch this video. So say hello to the people that are watching live. This is the live chat here, and we've got a few little bits and bobs on the desk. You know, this is the squirrel painting from last weekend. We're talking about the new book, the new brushes. I'm actually in the process of signing some book plates here as well. These are the book plates. These are going back to Search Press. Rose has given us a thumbs up there, look. So yeah, these are for the Hobby Maker show. So on Tuesday we've got some signed books, and I've got to send these back later today. So all exciting stuff. So Sunday in the studio, getting ready for today's live workshop. We're going to paint a lovely Narnia, seeing the Christmas jumpers come out in force. So it's a very useful tip, and it really kind of enforces the reason why I use clear rulers, because clear rulers are so good for capturing an angle, and on a man-made thing like a sleigh, it allows you to move that angle to match. So if I want to match that to that, that's exactly how I would do it. I would simply just take that and move it down, and it works perfectly every time. So this is how it's shaping up. It's coming together quite nicely, this picture. So we've got the nice lamp just gone in. I love the falling snow effect. So that's how it's shaping up. And here's the current live broadcast happening. If you can hear me, behind me, a virtual art display. That is the famous Crooked Spire in Chesterfield. Famous, of course, for having a twisted spire. Inside is a Christmas tree festival. We come to this every year. It's the last day today. But this year, something different. They've actually lit up the church like an art display. And I believe it's the same guy involved in this that was involved in the Junction Arts projection show at Bolsover Castle. Beautiful, right? The famous Crooked Spire, Chesterfield. They do a Christmas tree festival every year. All local businesses put Christmas trees in, charities, that kind of thing. Very artistic, very creative. I've literally just finished the painting workshop and come down here to see this. All the family's here, all the kids, they love it. My mum's here as well. But yeah, beautiful. It's the last day today. It's become a bit of a yearly routine for us coming to this.
It's a maximum limit.
And there you go, Junction Arts. That's the guys that did the Bolsover Castle light up event. This one's very arty. The Chesterfield Framing Company. So here we have Daisy. Daisy's 20. Say hi, Daisy. Bless her. She's happy. But we've just taken delivery, quite a large order here, of the new Seascape books. This is the first batch. There's only probably about 50 books here. We also had delivery of the Search Press books here the other day. These are the ones, these are all the random stocks of books that we have. Loads of pallets there as well. So parcel here from Search Press. Now this is the first 5 copies of the brand new Watercolour Seascape book. Now this literally, these 5 copies come a couple of weeks, normally 3-4 weeks before the actual official launch. The book's not officially due to be launched until January 26th, but we've actually got early access, so that means that any time now, the next week or so, these will be coming out to us, the first editions. Very exciting. And then we'll send them out to you guys. And there you go, the first one signed. This is for the Hobby Maker show. Tomorrow, which will be Tuesday the 2nd of December. So what goodies are in here then? These are the packs of 20 mounts kits that we sell. These are really popular, all nice, random, different sizes. We sell these on Hobby Maker. They're brilliant. So just in the process of editing a quick video, when I say quick video, I filmed it. Took about 2 hours to film. I've been sat editing this for about an hour and a half now, and it's a lovely little sort of little miniature summery scene. I thought it'd be nice to do something to brighten us all up, you know, in these dull winter months. And this edit's nearly done. I'll put all the titles in, all the music and everything. There's a lot involved in it. This will be on Watercolour TV. Just getting ready to film a little live tutorial for the YouTube channel, actually. I like to do this every so often. So I'm just getting myself geared up ready. It's 5:30, Monday, the 1st of December. Happy December. Been a busy day today. Lots of deliveries, lots of stuff happening. Getting ready for TV tomorrow. It's going to be good. But I want to do this live. It's not live, I want to film it as though it's live and put it out, you know, edit it a little bit kind of thing. So yeah, make sure you check it out. It's going to be a little gift tag. Little gift tag. So I've just finished the little gift tag demo that I was talking about. There it is. Nice little picture. Now this is going to be a free little demo that's going to be on my YouTube channel. It's just uploading at the background here. So it's about a 15-20 minute lesson, but a nice little one on the little gift tags. Good old Photoshop. I used to teach Photoshop. I used to, crack, it must have been for well over 10 years. I taught regular Photoshop sessions and seminars. Really enjoyed it. And then when COVID came, I sort of stopped doing it and just focused on the art more. But I used to do 2 or 3 hours, maybe 4 hours every week teaching. And Photoshop is actually quite a core part of what I do. So I've got a degree in design and various things. So Photoshop has kind of become second nature for me. But what I'm doing here is I'm creating a graphic for promotion of 3 TV shows that are coming up today, the 2nd. You can see the dates there, so it's 2nd of December. Those aren't the right times, I need to change that. So the times are actually 1 PM, 5 PM and 7 PM. That's the channels if anybody's in the UK. Yes, it's on the clamp. And yes, I've got the festive jumper on. I'm on my way to Hobby Maker. It's the 2nd of December, and I'm literally just setting off. So we've got 3 shows today, 1 PM, 5 PM, 7 PM. It's going to get Christmassy and arty at the same time. Yeah. Hobby Maker, this is the little canteen area, chill out area. Just getting a coffee from the machine. Good coffee this. Live at 1 o'clock. So I've got the studio to myself. I've got to talk quiet because there's a live show next door. But yeah, we're all set up ready for the new the 5 PM show, 2nd of December. Christmas jumper. This is the earpiece. We've got the new Seascape book being launched. There you go, McDonald's Grinch odd socks for Christmas. And just literally in between shows on Hobby Maker, got a couple of hours to spare, so yeah, there you go. These are cool, aren't they? Definitely wearing them. So I'm just waiting for the 5 PM show. This is a live broadcast here, and I'm just doing a little bit of Watercolour TV admin from the green room here at Hobby Maker. Bit of a behind the scenes studio tour. There's no show on at the minute, still whispering though. This is my set here. Ready for my 7 PM show. Got the new book. Gift tags. New brushes. Beautiful them. And of course the infamous magic mask. 8:15, just finished Derby Maker. 3 wonderful shows. Thank you so much if you watched. Let's get back home. It's normally about an hour and a half, something like that, an hour 40 from here. And here we go, the long journey home. That time of year again, put the decorations up. Say hi.
Hi.
Just had great fun painting this sort of steam train in the snow picture. For this is going to be a watercolor TV tutorial, which we're going to get edited up. Really enjoyed doing that. It was lovely. Got all the. I just had a bit of a. Just had to film the little sequence that talks about what materials we use in that kind of thing. So now I need to edit this up. I don't know whether I'll be editing this or somebody else. I might be doing this one myself. Got a bit of spare time, believe it or not. So yeah, look out for that. If you ordered something from Hobby Maker or Watercolour TV, this is where we'll do a bit of the manufacture here. So these are all the whites that are going out, and these are all the turquoise here that's going out. There's a lot of them to go out. I've just painted this picture here. Can't really see it very well, but I just need to scan it in, then we're going to edit that up for Watercolour TV. So it's all hands on deck. Yeah. So this huge pile of bits, and there's Jenny over there. This is basically everything that came in on Hobby Maker. Now, as well as doing all this, we're also doing the Watercolour TV orders, so it's a very busy time. Well, that was fun. Just done a little live Facebook and a YouTube demonstration. So make sure you check this out if you're not already. A little sort of Christmassy snow globe, which was quite fun, just like a 20-minute thing. That was broadcast live on Facebook. It's now going to be edited down for just the demonstration section. So Hobby Maker orders are packed and ready, most of them. I should say that I've not done this. A little brief glimpse of actually who's done all the hard work. Give us a wave over your heads. Lanterns. This is the Land of Lights at Rotherham. These are all created lanterns, really very clever, aren't they? And very artistic as well. Look at these. There's hundreds of them.
So now, in the Land of Lights, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to the pandas to Egypt.
From pandas to Egypt. There's the pandas. They're amazing, they are. This is Egypt. They're amazing, these. They're like, each one's like a work of art. And a Merry Christmas to everybody.